Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Today I have a project share. I just have some pieces laying around my desk that I need to just like use up or get rid of, and I decided to use them up. I do try to participate in like Scrapbook.com holds one, and Barely Arts maybe sponsors another one, but they're like card, what would they be? Like donations. They're just looking for cards to give to kids. And so I think it's Creating Kindness maybe is one of the project's name. I'll try to put a link in the description box below on the two programs. So one of them is reaching out for cards for kids, specifically motivational ones maybe, or positive message ones. And I don't have a lot of those because I just mainly make mainstream birthday, because I'm always needing birthday, and thank yous, I'm always needing thank yous. And then if anybody requests like sympathy or some of those, I'll make some of those, and I'll have a little on stash because I usually make for me and whoever asks for them. Like I'll make me a set too, usually. But anyway, I'm just here to share the ones that I did make. I have 10 here. They like when you send them in 10 bundles of 10s. I am out of envelopes. And I have tons of envelopes, actually, just not the ones that fit A2 size cards. I have bigger envelopes and smaller envelopes. So I need to either mail this out later and go get some envelopes, order some envelopes, or just go pick some up from Michael's so I can get this in the mail tomorrow. Anyway, but here's the 10 cards. So these you've probably seen because I've had them. I made them earlier with an Echo Park 6x6 paper pad, and I had a bunch of leftovers, so I made these cards. And then here's another one from there. And then these, I have little process videos on them, so I'll show them here in a minute. Actually, I'll go show you that now, and then I'll be back to share the rest of them. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. Did you like it? My battery might die, so I'm gonna make this quick. But yeah, so here are the ones that completed, right? You just saw the process of these two. And then here's the other two. And then this one. And they're all blank inside. And then these two I just recently made from my recent Crop and Create event I attend virtually. Loch Nessie. And so I want to be able to play with this and hopefully be able to share some videos in the future. You know, of course. But yeah, so those are my 10 cards that I'm donating. And, you know, because I always have lots of cards. And I always have a ton of bases made. So that helps when these challenges come out for these calls for these cards. We call it, in Hawaii, we call it kahea when they call for action. And so, yeah, if I have these bases, it's easy to just put on the sentiment. And yeah, they're not so fancy, but sometimes they get fancy. Like, you know, these are nice. But yeah, these are more plain, but whatever. Anyway, so yeah, if you have any hanging around your house and you feel up to, you know, donating, see those links below. So I hope you are having a crafty day. And for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.